Yo, future titans of crypto. Look at this wallet. That's not just digital currency, that's a fortress of soul, built one strategic block at a time. How'd I construct this financial stronghold? Not by riding coattails, but by weaving the damn coat. If you're done with small wins and ready for empire building, you've landed on the right channel. Alright, let's be brutally honest. If pump.fun is still your port of call for coin launches, you're navigating a minefield, my friend. That platform? It's a relentless whirlwind of fleeting tokens. They flare up and burn out faster than a birthday candle. Hoping your project gains sustainable valuation there? That's like trying to build a skyscraper on quicksand. The serious money? They wouldn't go near it with a 10-foot pole. Let's call it what it is, a digital casino, not a financial foundation. If you're aiming for real capital appreciation, so where are the real blue-chip meme coins making their debut? Raydium, without a shadow of a doubt. This is where quality meets capital. Fewer launches, but each one more curated, which means tokens with real liquidity, strong market caps, and serious potential for long-term upside. What sets it apart? Barrier to entry. Raydium typically requires some technical know-how, which acts as a natural filter, keeping out the flood of low-effort, short-lived coins. Want help navigating Raydium's launch process or designing a professional-grade token page? But I'm about to give you the ultimate financial instrument, pumpzone.io. This cutting-edge platform is your streamlined conduit to Raydium, bypassing the need for any coding at all. It turns what used to be a developer-heavy process into a few intuitive, high-leverage clicks. With Pumpzone, you're not just launching a coin, you're fast-tracking it to market, right alongside the heavy hitters, without needing a CS degree or blockchain dev team. Want a breakdown of the exact steps to launch on Pumpzone, or how to maximize trust with your token setup? First things first, your coin needs a powerful and prestigious visual identity, a logo that commands attention and radiates ambition. Fire up Canva, set your canvas to 125 by 125 pixels, and design with precision. Once your logo is sharp, balanced, and upscale, save it. That emblem becomes the face of your token, shaping first impressions across Solana, Raydium, and Dex Screener alike. Time to bring Capitalist token to the market using pumpzone.io. And the genius part? No direct wallet connection for the token creation itself, ensuring maximum security for your existing capital. Okay. Token name, Capitalist token. Symbol, Kappa token. Sounds like money. That 1 billion supply? It's the optimal structure for widespread distribution and market appeal. Leave it exactly as is. Description. For this, I'll just paste in my pre-generated description, tailored for our target audience. Now, upload that commanding Capitalist token logo we just meticulously designed. Whale metadata. Absolutely ensure this is enabled. It's a critical signal of transparency, and a professional approach to high net worth individuals and institutional players. A non-negotiable for serious projects. Social links. You can input these if you have a robust existing brand, but for a swift and impactful market entry, I generally choose to leverage Raydium's inherent reach. Now, the articles of incorporation for a trustworthy asset. Revoke authorities. Listen very carefully. Revoke mint authority, revoke freeze authority, revoke metadata, update authority. All three of these crucial settings must be switched on. This is your legally binding commitment to the market. No new tokens diluting supply. No ability to arbitrarily freeze investor assets. No altering the coin's fundamental prospectus after public offering. This is what builds unshakable market confidence. Next up, Pumpzone's secure architecture. Paste your personal Solana wallet address right here. This is the designated wallet where your newly minted Capitoken tokens will be securely delivered. Incredibly safe. Your main portfolio remains completely segregated during this creation process. I'm inputting my address now. Click Create Token. Pumpzone will display a unique Solana address. This address is for the small minting fee. Copy it. Head to your wallet. Transfer the solution. Critical note. Do not close the Pumpzone page after sending the fee. Let it breathe. 10, maybe 20, even 30 seconds. Give the blockchain time to confirm and finalize the mint. If you close the page too early, the transaction might not process fully. Just let it complete, and the deal is closed. Token created successfully. Capitoken is now officially listed on the Solana blockchain. A quick due diligence check on Solskin confirms it. Minted, legitimate, and looking like a blue chip. Now, let's open the trading floor. A token without a trading venue is just unrealized potential. Let's get Capitalist token listed on the Raydium exchange. From pumpzone.io, click Create Liquidity Pool, or head directly to Raydium. Connect your wallet. For the base token, paste the Capitoken contract address we just acquired. Symbol, Cap token. Name, Capitalist token. Add it done, then select it. Your full 1 billion Capital supply should be visible. We're going to inject 900 million into the liquidity pool to establish a robust market. Quote token will be Solana. Max out your available sol for this liquidity provision, but make sure to retain about 0.2 sol to cover Raydium's pool creation fee. It's usually indicated on the platform. For the fee tier, 2% is the well-established efficient choice. All systems ready? Click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction when your Phantom wallet prompts. Pause. Slight buildup. And just like that, Capitalist token is officially open for trading on Raydium, and the deal is closed. Now that Capitalist token is live on Raydium with established liquidity, it's time to monitor the market's reception. Time to chart our newly launched financial instrument. Grab your Capitoken address from Pumpfun or SolScan, then head directly to Dex Screener. Here's the efficient method. Open any coin's chart on Dex Screener. Navigate to your browser's URL bar and simply paste your Capitoken contract address over the existing one. Hit enter. Voila, your live Capitalist token chart appears, reflecting real-time market activity. You'll likely notice some instant miner trades. Those are just network bots performing their arbitrage functions. Perfectly normal. We're watching for the real signals. Those substantial organic buy orders from serious market participants. Hold the line. What just appeared on the tape? Our first major buy order for Capitalist token just executed. A significant inflow of sol just hit the books, and you can see the liquidity pool immediately react to that increased demand. Unbelievable. Another wave of significant buy-side pressure just surged in, even more substantial this time. Capitalist token is clearly resonating with the market, and investors are accumulating positions. Look at that market cap begin to expand, with authority. This is the sheer thrill of a successful market entry, watching your asset gain traction in real time. This is absolutely phenomenal. A third, massive institutional-sized buy just hit the Capitalist token order book. The situation is now rapidly escalating into a full-fledged bull rally. Now, for the ultimate financial execution, securing those profits. It's time to realize your capital gains. Head back to your Raydium portfolio, ensure your wallet is properly linked, and click on the Standard tab. Identify your Capitalist token LP position, then hit that little minus icon. Max out that slider to 100%. Take a moment to appreciate the Solana value you're about to transfer to your personal holdings. Looks substantial, doesn't it? Click Remove Liquidity. Approve the transaction when your wallet prompts and let the blockchain finalize the settlement. That's how you convert a freshly launched meme asset into a significant Solana position in your own portfolio. This particular strategy has proven highly effective. Always remember, in the crypto game, speed and initiative are often rewarded. The early adopters usually secure the most significant gains, while those who wait may find the opportunity diminished. A precise setup and decisive action are your best allies. Vital disclosure: this video is created strictly for educational and illustrative purposes. I'm not a qualified financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I maintain no financial ties or endorsements from Pumpzone.io or Raydium. I'm merely sharing a method that has demonstrated current efficacy. Smash that like, subscribe for more advanced strategies, and may your crypto ventures be exceptionally profitable. Until next time.